Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi, and as you can see from the title, in today's video I'll be doing this really quick and easy install with this wig from YWigs. So they went ahead and sent me a minimal leave out side part bang U-part unit. This is what it looks like. So it is literally a side part unit, so it's not going to give you that middle part look if you try to do a middle part. Sorry, side part. And it is on the left side. It has bangs. There's a pretty blunt chop to these bangs, and it's like layered up top, so you have that fullness to the wig straight out the pack. I'm loving the curls. I'm loving the result. This hair is actually really full. It is in 22 inches and 250 density, so you are definitely getting your money's worth, as well as the value and quality of the hair. It's worth the price, well worth the price. I love how full this hair is. I love how nice and soft it feels whenever I run my fingers through it. I appreciate that there are no knots, tangles, no excessive shedding. I haven't really seen any shed hair since curling this wig, so that is a plus. Like, this wig is all that you need and more. I know there are some girls out there that don't love the middle part units. They love side parts and they'll only rock a side part. So girl, YWigs is giving very much inclusive. It's giving very much you get a wig, and you don't like middle parts, okay, side part for you. Like, I'm loving this wig. I haven't done a side part unit since I've been doing U parts, but this, she takes the cake. She's really cute, and I'm pretty sure the more I wear them, it's gonna be super easier to install it. It was a bit difficult for me to try to do braids, so I didn't do any anchor braids. So right now we're just hanging on solely to the roots of my hair, which is not really good, but it's whatever. Like, it works. I'm feeling too much tension, so that's perfect. So the links for this wig will be in the description box if you'd like to purchase, and I did show you guys how to get these gorgeous voluminous pin curls, so definitely keep on watching if you'd like to see that, and keep on watching if you'd like to see how I install the wig and all that jazz. So let's jump into the tutorial. Okay, I really like that transition. Let's just get into taking these clips out so I could show you how nice and gorgeous and full and luscious these curls are, because I could already tell by how the hair was out the pack that this was some good quality hair. So let me go ahead and unravel these curls, girl. Okay mamas, so I am back and this is what I did with this unit. So this is from ft.YWigs and they went ahead and sent me their side part bang minimal leave out unit. It is a U-part unit, but it is side part of course with a bang. Pretty much self-explanatory. It is in 22 inches and it is 250 density. So like I was saying before I unraveled the curls, you do get a lot of hair on this, so the curls are definitely going to be very much flush and full, which is something I really appreciate, because I hate when I get a unit and it's like skimpy and I have to cut it in order for it to give a thicker feel or a thicker look. I hate that. So right off the bat, this wig is everything I needed and more. This wig is for my side part girls. I know there are many U-part or V-part units where you do middle parts only, but this unit you could definitely do the side part that you want. So they have a side part in the left side part and a right side part, so don't worry, there are very much options for my girls out there who like to do side parts. They don't love the middle part action, and you know, like for my big forehead girlies like me, the side parts are giving. Okay, it's cute, it hides the forehead, and it's perfect for people who just prefer side parts. So with that being said, the links will be in the description box if you'd like to purchase, and don't forget to check the description box because there will be a coupon code. I think it is called DAX10, DAX10, for some monies off. So definitely don't forget to plug it when you check out in order to get some coins off your gorgeous ft.YWig. The spray that I'm using is called the Perfect Medium Spray. It's a medium hole spray in the number 13. It gets the job done. It doesn't leave your hair stiff and crunchy. So that's why I really love working with it. I use it for my baby hair or edges, and I also use it to hold the curls. So I think that's pretty much most of the information that I'll be leaving in today's video. So thank you so much to ft.YWigs for sending me this gorgeous wig, and thank you so much for watching, and without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye mamas.